Hey folks, welcome to another week of Honors Pre-Calculus. Just a quick reminder, Monday's Veterans Day, so there's no live class, and Tuesday is a teacher in service, so you have no live class that day as well. Class will be held from 9 to 9:30 Wednesday through Friday, with office hours in the drop-in center on Friday from 2 to 3 as scheduled. So our learner outcomes for the week. On Wednesday, we will be reviewing polynomial division, that's long division and synthetic division, as well as using the remainder theorem and the factor theorem. And then we will close out the week with a single submission emoji project. The long division example is on the left and the synthetic example is on the right. Remember, when we use synthetic division, we have to have a factor that is in linear form. We cannot have something that's an x squared. There's an example of how we do synthetic division, and notice that we bring down the first term, we multiply here, and that term comes up here, and then we add. And we carry that on until we get to the remainder. Okay? That number there is called the remainder. All right, so something really special about that remainder is that in this particular problem, the remainder is 1, and notice our divisor was the term x plus 3, which is the 0, negative 3. So if the remainder is 1, the remainder theorem tells us that the remainder, which is 1, is equal to f of k. In other words, our function at negative 3 has a value of 1. And this remainder theorem can actually save you from having to work out polynomial expressions and finding their values. So the second thing that we will be reviewing is the factor theorem. And remember that a polynomial f of x has a factor x minus k if and only if f of k equals 0. Remember, what does this mean? If the remainder is 0, then x minus k is a perfect factor. So there are two big assignments for the week. And first we have lesson 3, polynomial division review worksheet that we will be doing together. And this is a complete review of chapter 2, section 3 of your textbook. We will work together in live class to complete this. And then what is not completed will be done on your own and turned in. And then we will have our emoji project on polynomial division. And we will step through that and get it started in live class so that you know how to start it. It contains 12 problems. You'll have to turn in the complete solutions as well as your emoji. So that concludes our week, and I look forward to seeing you in class.